everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you my deep clean of the hallway and downstairs bathroom. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how I'm going to deep clean my hallway and downstairs bathroom as well. So this is the room that you walk into when you come into our house, and it has become a bit of a dumping ground. And I always think neat hallway means neat house. I don't know why, I'm probably completely wrong, but I feel like if I tidy up the hallway then the house will just feel that bit tidier as well. Summer I think has finally arrived in the UK as well. The sun is shining today. It's meant to be highs of 22, and touch wood, it stays that way for a while. You never know with this country. It could be lows of 7 and raining next week, and I'll need to bring the winter coats back out. But anyway, I'm going to put the winter coats away today, and I'm going to get the summer ones out. I'm going to put the winter boots away and get all the summery shoes out as well. And I'm also going to be cleaning both the walls and the floors in these areas as well. So in the downstairs toilet, the floor really needs a good scrub. It looks a bit dirty in between the tiles. I think that's probably where we've walked in there with muddy boots on and it's just stayed in there. So I really need to give that a good scrub, and I'm going to give the floor in here a good scrub as well. So while I was doing that, I thought I'd share what I was going to do with you. So here is how I have deep cleaned my hallway and downstairs bathroom. I decided to clean the downstairs bathroom slash toilet first. So I decided to remove all of the items from the bathroom. Once I'd done that, I then went into the kitchen and I made myself a cleaning solution. So I added a little bit of vinegar to a lukewarm bowl of water, and then I added some washing up liquid and a few drops of peppermint essential oil. And then once I'd made that and mixed it round a bit, I then went into the toilet and I started to clean around the toilet. So I cleaned all around the toilet, I cleaned the walls, and I also cleaned the floor as well. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the marks off from the grouting on the floor, so we will have to get some grouting whitener, we think. But I did give this a really good scrub, and it does look and smell much better now in the toilet. Cleaning the downstairs toilet, I then moved on to removing all of the items from the hallway. So I took everything out of this space because I wanted to give it a really good clean. skirting board round here. This will have to go. That's got to go back in the car. But yeah, so I'm just going to clean any marks on the walls and the skirting boards now, and then I'm going to give the floor a good scrub as well. As you can see here, I am wiping down the walls and the skirting boards. I also decided to give the window a clean as well. I just used a cloth and wiped any marks off I could see, and then gave it a wipe down, and that was it. And I'm also decided to clean the back of the door as well. There were some marks on the back of the door that I could get off quite easily with the solution that I'm using. I do find that the solution is really good for getting marks off of the wall. I did change this solution, however. Once I'd finished cleaning the toilet, I went back to the sink and I just made some more of the same I made earlier. So I just used some lukewarm water, some vinegar, washing up liquid and peppermint oil, and that is my cleaning solution for the hallway. And as you can see here, I'm now cleaning where the shoe box is and the coats are hung as well. There were some marks on the wall here that I couldn't get off, but I am actually thinking of giving this room a paint job soon. I really don't like this grey colour in here, and I'm thinking of painting it cream soon. So watch this space. I'm sure I'll be doing that in the next month or so, knowing me. So yes, I'm just continuing to clean the hallway, and once I've cleaned all the walls and the skirting boards, I'll move on to cleaning the floor. When I'd finished cleaning the hallway floor, I left it to dry and I went to sort out the winter coats. So I took out all of the winter coats and I left the spring and summer ones. I put those in the washing machine, and then I moved on to cleaning this vase. This vase sits at the back of our toilet to try and hide the toilet roll. I don't think it really works, but it just looks nice at the back of the toilet. But it has become quite dusty over time, so I decided to give it a clean. And I also gave the reeds in this vase a clean as well. I bought this from IKEA many years ago, so don't ask me if they still have it or not, I wouldn't know. And once that was done, I then moved on to cleaning out the shoe boxes. So I took out all of the winter boots from the shoe boxes, and I brought down the summer shoes, but I needed to hoover them first before I could put all of the shoes back in. So I hoovered them out, and then I gave them a quick clean as well. I'm just using some method spray to clean the shoe boxes here. I find this a really good natural cleaner as well. And once the shoe boxes were clean and I dusted them thoroughly and got rid of any dirt on them as well, I then put all of the summer shoes back into the shoe boxes. Once I'd cleaned the shoe boxes and put the shoes back in, I then started to move all of the items back into the hallway. So everything that lives on the windowsill went back, the doormat went back, everything that lives in the bathroom went back as well. So I put all of the toilet roll back, and I put the hand towel back in the bathroom as well. And then once I'd done that, I then moved on to cleaning inside the shoebox itself. It was a bit dirty and it did need a hoover, and then I just wiped it down with some method spray again. And once I'd done that, I then moved the box back into the hallway, and I also moved all of the coats back in as well. Deep cleaned my hallway and downstairs bathroom, and I'm really pleased with the finished results. It's a lot easier to get in and out of this hallway and find the coat I want, since all the big coats have now gone away upstairs again until winter, and I've just got my summer coats. It's a lot easier to find things, and it's a lot easier to find shoes, and everything has a place again, and everything is in its place. So I have a neat and tidy hallway and downstairs bathroom as well, so I'm really pleased. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.